नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Okay, my dear kids, how are you? Hope you all are well. Okay. Most of them didn't send paper. Most of them didn't submit the paper. Please submit your paper in the paper to the school. Okay, come and please submit your papers, because this time we are going to maybe the PTA meeting. Shirley ma'am told, like, you have to submit your paper in the school. We are going to show the marks through the WhatsApp. Those who didn't submit their names also we are going to show. So please avoid to do that and submit your papers as soon as possible in the school. Okay, my dear kids. Okay. Please watch the videos what the teachers are sending. Okay, my dear kids, please give importance for the videos what the teacher in grade 8. Mostly most of the parents are, most of the kids are seeing that. I don't know then, but those who didn't see, please, my dear kids, if your friends are not watching the video, please inform them to. I will also, if I am getting time means, I will also call the parents. Okay, so tell your friends to watch the video, tell your friends to keep in touch with the teachers. Okay, like you. Okay, today we will go to the next lesson. Can you guess what is the next lesson? Okay, you see this picture, what you are seeing in this picture, somebody is writing something, isn't it? What she is writing, can you guess? Any idea what she is writing? No idea, right? Now you got an idea, isn't it? What is that? What is the picture? One post box. In that somebody is keeping something. What is she keeping? What is that in her hand? You are not familiar with this thing, isn't it? You don't know to do this and all. Are you writing letters and all? This is a letter. She is keeping one letter inside the post box, isn't it? Why she is keeping letter in this post box? Yeah, this post box. Who see here? This also we are sending the what this man is doing. Can you guess? This is the postman, right? Now postman and all coming to home and giving something, but you don't know the experience. You don't have the experience to write a letter, right? This year sometimes we will learn how to write a letter in Hindi. Maybe you learned in English to write a letter, right? But you don't know to write in Hindi. Simple letter you will learn. Okay, I'm planning to do that. I don't know whether it will be okay or not. We are getting time or not, don't know. Last year I planned to do it this year, but don't know, because of this pandemic situation we can't do what we planned. So if I can, I'll teach you how to write a letter, because next year you don't have Hindi. So this is the last year for you Hindi, right? Okay, so we have to learn something new, isn't it? Only learning the notes, only learning the lesson and all, that's not important. We have to learn something new in Hindi. So I'm thinking to do that. Let me try. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, this man is taking the letters from we before and all only letters was there. No phone. Phone means also phone came after also. That what we will say, that touch phone and all was not there some days, isn't it? Years back only it came, and after that only WhatsApp, sending message in WhatsApp, text message, everything is there, isn't it? But before that only writing the letters was the means of communication, isn't it? Means of communication. To send far we have to use these letters only. Letters we will write and we will keep inside the post box, and this postman will come and take that letters, everything together, and what he will do, he will straightly come and give to us? No, isn't it? He will not come straightly to that address. He will first he will go to the post office, isn't it? First he will go to the post office. There on postmaster will be there. What he will do in that letter? He will seal on that, isn't it? He will put a seal on that. Then only that letter will come to us, isn't it? So when the letters only was there, it was very easy to convey our minds feelings and all. Whatever we want to tell, we can open everything and we can write in that and we can send it to them. Okay, nowadays only SMS, that also short messages and all, isn't it? It is very difficult for to type and all, isn't it, my dear kids? So nowadays in some areas and all, it is it is there. Okay, then even okay, this lesson we are going to learn something detailedly about letters. So our new lesson is part 5, part 5, चिट्ठियों की अनूठी दुनिया. चिट्ठियों की अनूठी दुनिया. चिट्ठियों means letters. See, this time I am not going to write anything on this. You know, my dear kids, today I am going to do something new. What is that? Not me only, other teachers also maybe. See, today what I am teaching, from that I'll ask 5 one-word questions. Okay, meanings or something, anything from the portions what I will teach till today. Not still today, today, only today. Okay, what I am going to teach today, from that I am going to take 5 one-word questions. I'll send that questions. You have to find out from the lesson and you have to send it to me. Okay, so please listen carefully and understand. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, चिट्ठियों की अनूठी दुनिया. Chittio means, while I am saying the meanings, please keep on pencil with you and write on the up of it. You are grown up children, so I don't want to write on the up. I think you know all the meanings, right? Okay. All the spellings I am telling. Okay. चिट्ठियों की अनूठी दुनिया means, चिट्ठियों means letters. चिट्ठियों means letters. अनूठी, strange or rare. Strange or rare. दुनिया means world. Okay, चिट्ठियों की अनूठी दुनिया means strange world of letters. Okay, strange world of letters. Okay, we will go to the lesson. पत्रों की दुनिया भी अजीबो गरीबी है और उसकी उपयोगिता हमेशा से बनी रही है. पत्र जो काम कर सकते हैं वह संचार का आधुनिकतम साधन नहीं कर सकता है. Here what they are telling that पत्रों की दुनिया भी अजीबो गरीबी है. अजीबो गरीब means also strange. Okay, that is a one word. अजीबो गरीब, that is a together one word, not two words. अजीबो गरीब, strange. पत्रों, पत्र means also letter. Okay, पत्रों, letters. First word पत्रों की दुनिया भी अजीबो गरीब है. The poet, the writer is telling that the world of letters also is something strange. और उसकी उपयोगिता, उपयोगिता utility, उपयोगिता means utility or use, हमेशा से बनी रही है. Always these letters are useful for us. Why it is useful for us? Nowadays we are not writing letters and all, but it is useful for us. How it is? We will go to the lesson. We will learn. Okay. पत्र जो काम कर सकते हैं वह संचार का आधुनिकतम साधन नहीं कर सकता है. What the letters are doing, what work the letters are doing, वह संचार, संचार means communication, संचार means communication का आधुनिकतम, आधुनिकतम means new, आधुनिकतम means new. Okay, sadhan means means, means, means of communication. We will tell now, means of communication, that means nahi kar sakta. The writer is telling that what the work that letters are doing, what work the letters can do, that no any other new means of communication can do. It is telling that is that much power it is there in the letters. पत्र जैसा संतोष फोन या एसएमएस का संतोष संदेश कहाँ दे सकता है. It is telling that patra jaisa sandosh. Patra, what the happiness, sandosh means happiness. What the happiness the letter is giving, that happiness won't give by the phone or SMS messages. Okay, in phone from phone or SMS, we can't get the same that much happiness. It won't give like letters. पत्र एक नया सिलसिला शुरू करते हैं. Patra is changing its system. It is forming a new system. Silsila means system. Or Rajanidhi Sahitya. Rajanidhi means politics. Rajanidhi, politics. Sahitya, literature. Sahitya means literature. Or Tada Kala. Kala means art. A-R-T, art. Kala means art. के क्षेत्रों में, क्षेत्रों मीन्स फील्ड में, तमाम विवाद means if we are going for any political work or any literature work or any art work, in every field what the conclusion will be, they will tell, okay, you write a letter and give, isn't it? That conclusion will be finishing in the, that finishing will be in the letter only. They won't tell us to send an SMS, like, isn't it? They tell you write in a paper and give. You write it. If like example, I'll say, okay, in our school, if the teachers, even us, even me, I am telling, okay, in this quarantine time, when I can't go to school because of some difficulty, my personal problem, I went and asked permission to our director. Okay, that time also he didn't say what word also he don't want, SMS also he don't want. He tell me to write a letter and give, isn't it? So even in a political field, like a political field, you understand, like, then cultural field or literature field, in our art field, any field, we will see that in that finishing will be in the letter only, right? सो और नई घटनाओं की जाडफी पत्र की होते हैं. और न्यू if we are going to conduct a new like school day or something and all, it will finish in, we will write in a letter only, isn't it? See, in school, our school day we conducted, isn't it? Whether we send SMS for all the parents and sit simply, is no, isn't it? We send an invitation letter, isn't it? That only, we send an invitation letter. So like that only, where for everything that finishing will be the letter only, right? Still we are using that letter system. That only they are telling. देन दुनिया का तमाम साहित्य पत्रों पर केंद्रित है और मानव सभ्यता के विकास में इन पत्रों ने अनूठी भूमिका निभाई है. दुनिया के दैट ओनली वी टोल्ड इन दिस वर्ल्ड फॉर एवरी पर्पस वी आर सेंडरिंग लेटर्स ओनली. केंद्रित मीन्स सेंडर्ड. और मानव सभ्यता फॉर ह्यूमन कल्चर डेवलपमेंट. मानव सभ्यता मीन्स ह्यूमन कल्चर. Vikas development. For Manav Safyada means for education field also, if we are telling, we want to tell anything, we want to do anything, we want anything, we have to write in a letter only, we have to give, right? So in patron ko anoti bhumika, it is performing a good role. That letter is performing a good role in every field, isn't it? In every field this letter is performing nicely. पत्रों का भाव सब जगह एक सा है. It means पत्रों का भाव means rate. The what is not rate. भाव means that way of writing. Means way of writing is correct only. Like everyone are writing the same way, like from to, like that and all, isn't it? So like every that way of writing is same in everywhere. पत्रों का भाव सब जगह एक सा है. Everywhere it is same only. But what have भले ही उसका नाम अलग अलग हो, but in each and every district or each and every state, that name of the letter is different. Okay, he see here patra ko Urdu mein khat. In Urdu it will say khat. Okay, then Sanskrit mein patra. In Sanskrit we will say patra. This word only it is using here. Sanskrit word only patra. Kannada mein, in Kannada it will say kagad. Kagad. Then Telugu में Telugu में उत्तरम जाबु or lake. Three word they will use. उत्तरम जाबु और lake. Everything is patra only, letter only. Then tada Tamil में kadid कहा जाता है. We will say kadidam, isn't it? That only in Tamil we will say. In Malayalam kattu we will say like that. Okay. So the like that in every state or everywhere, that every state like that, isn't it? Every state this every language, right? And here it is telling that every उसका नाम अलग अलग every place like that. So in each and some different places the name of the letter is different. In Tamil we will say kadidam, right? Kadid. In Malayalam we will say katta, right? Like that. So patra in English we will say letter. Okay. Then patra को यादों को सहेज कर रखते हैं. What is the use of the patra? See, SMS and all, what we will say, some days after it will delete from our phone, right? Isn't it? But this letter, what it is a storage, isn't it? It is a good storage. We can keep somewhere. We can keep somewhere. We can put in order. Like when it happened, we can check it and see when it happened. But in SMS and all, some days after it will be deleted. इनमें इसमें किसी को कोई संदेह नहीं. No one have the doubt that the letter is performing as a storage. हर एक को अपनी पत्र लेखन कला है. Each and everyone is writing in a different way. और हर एक के पत्रों का अपना दायरा. और everyone having it's a limit also there. दायरा means limit. दायरा limit. दुनिया भर में रोज़ करोड़ों पत्र एक दूसरे को तलाशते तमाम ठिकाने तक पहुँचे. Daily in our whole world daily crore letters are searching their person to reach that one, isn't it? Whom their letters are there sending, that letters are there in the world. Crore letters are coming daily. Like that it is telling. It is they are searching their person, searching the address and it is searching the location and it is coming. Tikani means location. Searching the location and it is reaching. Daily crore letters are searching the location because we will write location means the address we will write in that, right? The postman can't remember even each and every address, so he want to search each and every address and he has to come and give the letter. Then भारत में ही रोज 4.5 करोड़ चिट्ठियाँ डाक में डाली जाती है. भारत में in India how many are there daily? 4.5 means 4.5 करोड़ means crore. So भारत में ही रोज 4.5 करोड़ चिट्ठियाँ डाक में डाली जाती है. In India only, world only they told crore. How much crore they didn't tell. See, only in India daily 4.5 crore letters are coming to the post office. जो साबित करते हैं कि पत्र कितनी अहमियत है. अहमियत means important. So by seeing this we can, because daily 4.5 crore letters are coming in the post office in India only. By seeing that we can understand that how much important these letters, right? So then पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने सन 1953 में सही ही कहा था. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has told something in सन 1953. What he has told, that is correct only they are telling. What is that? हजारों सालों तक संचार का साधन केवल हरकारे या फिर तेज घोड़े रहते. Thousands of years the means of communication was what was that running. Some if they want to give something, they want to run and go, like they want to go, they want other. After that, घोड़े, by horse they will go and reach the letters. But some first and all it was running and going. Second time it was by horse. Then after that what happened? उसके बाद पहिए आए. Then after wheels and all came. Then vehicle. Through vehicle it used to go. So pahiye means that bullock carts wheel only they are telling. That came after using bullock carts and all they'll go. So then after that car wheel, everything, cycle wheel and all. After that, so first and all run, then horse, then only that wheel came. पर रेलवे और तार से भारी बदलाव आया. Then after that what happened? Used to go by train and all, the letters and all. Letters and all used to go by train. Then mail, use mail and all go. It will go. तार ने रेलों से भी तेज गति से संवाद पहुंचाने का सिलसिला शुरू किया. What happened? After that, more than rail, more than train, this mail only used to go very fast. This mail only used to go very fast. Then अब टेलीफोन वायरलेस और आगे रडार दुनिया बदल रहा है. It's telling that now telephone, wireless, everything. This was written by some years before, so they don't know mobile and all. Mobile they knows, but they are telling the wireless means wire without wire, that mobile only. They are telling telephone, wireless or radar दुनिया बदल रहा है. After that what happened? Slowly it came to telephone and wireless and all. So this world is changing, like that they are telling. Then next para. पिछली शताब्दी में पत्र लेखन ने एक कला का रूप ले लिया है. पत्र after last century what happened? This पत्र लेखन, letter writing also became an art. This letter writing also became an art. डाक व्यवस्था के सुधार के साथ पत्रों को सही दिशा देने के लिए विशेष प्रयास किए गए. डाक व्यवस्था के सुधार, इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ दिस rules of the post. डाक व्यवस्था means rules of post rules. डाक means post, व्यवस्था means rules. के सुधार means improvement. Post, डाक means post, व्यवस्था means rules, सुधार means improvement. डाक व्यवस्था के सुधार के साथ पत्रों को सही दिशा देने के लिए विशेष प्रयास किया गया. Slowly these roles of post also improved. After that how it will reach to the correct location, that also they tried a lot to do it very fast. पत्र संस्कृति विकसित करने के लिए स्कूली पाठ्यक्रमों में पत्र लेखन का विषय भी शामिल किया है. What happened? The culture of this letter writing should increase. So what they started doing in the school syllabus also. पाठ्यक्रमों means syllabus. This school syllabus also they included that letter writing. Isn't it? In Kerala and all it is there. In Hindi also they used to write from the small kids even. Okay, so they started including the letter writing in the school also, school syllabus. भारत ही नहीं दुनिया के कई देशों में ये प्रयास चले. Not only in India, even in all the other world, in the whole world also they started doing this. और विश्व डाक संघ ने अपनी ओर से भी काफ़ी प्रयास किए. विश्व डाक संघ, वर्ल्ड पोस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, they also tried a lot to do this and all, to keep this in the syllabus. विश्व डाक संघ की ओर से 16 वर्ष से कम आयु वर्ग के बच्चों के लिए पत्र लेखन प्रतियोगिताएं आयोजित करने का सिलसिला सन 1972 से शुरू किया गया. Then what happened? विश्व डाक संघ, according to this World Post Organization, what they have planned, 16 वर्ष से कम आयु वर्ग means below 16 years students, they want to conduct one letter writing competition. They started doing that. They started doing, those who are less than 16 years, they want to compete in the, they want to participate in the competition letter writing प्रतियोगिताएं competition आयोजित करना organized. Then it started in 1972. This Patralekhan Pradyogita, this letter writing competition started in the year 1972. यह सही है कि खास तौर पर बड़े शहरों और महानगरों में संचार साधनों के तेज विकास तथा अन्य कारणों से पत्रों की आवाजाही प्रभावित हुई है, पर देहाती दुनिया आज भी चिट्ठियों से ही चल रही है. यह सही है कि खास तौर पर स्पेशली शहरों मीन्स सिटी, महानगरों मीन्स मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी. खास तौर पर मीन्स स्पेशली शहरों, सिटी, महानगरों, metropolitan. This is true that especially in the city and also in the metropolitan city, there the means of communication was fastly improving, and also अन्य कारणों से पत्रों की आवाजाही प्रभावित हुई, influence the movement because of some other reasons. It influenced in the movement of letters. And but what happened, because they are telling that in our areas and all now letters and all little became less, right, isn't it? They are writing less only. So but dehati dunya, in pastoral world and all, what happening there, they are only focusing in this letter only. Some places and all, they what happen, they are not using this SMS and all, they are still using the letters only. फैक्स, ईमेल, टेलीफोन तथा मोबाइल ने चिट्ठियों की तेजी को रोका है, पर व्यापारिक डाक की संख्या लगातार बढ़ रही है. What happened? Fax, email, telephone and mobile and all this fastness of letters they made less. Because of this fax, email, telephone, mobile and all, the letters sending and all became less. But what happening? व्यापारिक डाक की संख्या लगातार बढ़ रही है. व्यापारिक डाक means commercial mail. For business and all, they will send a letter in the mail, isn't it? That also letter. So that letter, even in our school also, something is coming means in the mail only, isn't it? So that also letter only. Then also commercial letter means that email also there. Then also the letters also, through letters also they are sending what and all they want to do in business. They want to improve even in the higher for the higher authority and all, they are sending through letters only. So in the business field they are still using the letters only. So this is the I took only 2 pages of this lesson. Please read carefully and listen the video carefully, and whatever the meanings I have told, that you notice it. Okay, note it, my dear kids. Then after that I'll send questions for that. You please find out that from these 2 pages and send it to me. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. Okay, any doubt is there means you can ask in the Zoom interaction meeting. ओके माय डियर किड्स, धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.